Hello teacher, assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam. How are you?
Fine, thank you. You're good?
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine. Okay. Is anyone do my homework? Is anyone?
Assalamualaikum warahmatullah.
Walaikum salam.
Forse क्या पूछा मेरे साथ?
Sorry, I don't understand Persian.
I did homework.
Okay, show me your screen. Share your screen. Let's see. Do you know how to share your screen on Google
My
Meet?
electric is off. My electric is off, but I took a picture.
Okay. So
I sent. Can I send?
yeah, send on on our group. Let's check.
Okay.
Okay.
I worked section selector.
Okay.
Mark U tool and last tool.
Yeah.
Last tool.
That's good. Yeah, you are selecting the images. Yes, that's nice. Oh, you are selecting this girl, right? Then you are just moving this one from
and
another
work
image.
brush tool and work brush tool.
Oh, that's nice. And in this image, you are moving this cup, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that's nice. Okay. Okay, I'm creating a new document. Okay, in previous lesson we have done all of these tools, right? In previous class we have done all of these tools. Any doubt about these tools? Should I repeat any tools from here? Should I repeat any tools?
If you want, yes.
Which one? All of these tools? Or do you... Again, can I repeat?
No.
So which one? Crop tools, perspective tools, eyedropper tools. Which one you want to know?
This one is easy.
This one is spot filling. Okay.
Spot filling.
Okay, spot filling. Let me open the image and let me know. Okay, when you are working on Photoshop, you can download image from Unsplash. unsplash.com. If you go there, if you type unsplash on Google Chrome, you will see this website unsplash.com. Make sure everyone download image from Unsplash because this is copyright free website. And you can also download high quality image. Okay, for spot healing tool, let's let's work with this image. Okay, you can download, open image, right click, open with Adobe Photoshop. Okay, in this image this boy have lot of spot. So first of all I'm duplicate this layer. Just drag and drop here, or you can press Ctrl J for duplicating layer. So let's rename this one. Just double click on it and name it original or before, before, and let's rename this one to after, after, after. Okay, I'm hiding this layer. Then if you want to remove this spot, you can go to spot healing brush tool. Then you can just click here, click here, click here, click on spot area. It will remove spot. Okay, this is before original image, and after remove the spot. This is the thing. In this tool, just remove the spot. That's it. Got it? Look at this before and after. If I zoom this image, this is before and after. That's it. Okay, healing brush tool. Okay, I'm just downloading this image. Let me make duplicate. Okay, this original. And in healing brush tool, first of all you have to select your area. Press look at this. In this image there are 1 2 3 4 bars. So I want to remove this 3 one and keep only this one. So you can do it with healing brush tool. So once you select healing brush tool, then you will see this type of brush. So I want to replace this area to this. So first of all you have to select the area. you have to press Alt. Once you press Alt option or Alt button from your keyboard, you will see this type of icon, like targeted icon. That means you have to select the area. Right now I'm selecting this area, so I have this area sample. If I draw here, look at this, I'm easily removing birds like this. If you want to remove these birds with this area, first of all press Alt. When you press Alt, you will see this type of icon, targeted icon, a symbol. Then you can collect the sample. Then you can look at this. You can easily remove your object. This is our original image, and after using healing brush tool, this is the thing. Got it? Hello. Let's try with another image. Suppose I want to remove this man from this image. So what can I do? First of all, I'm making duplicate. This is my original layer, and this is duplicate layer. So I want to remove this man from this image. So what can I do? I want to remove this area with this area. So I'm pressing Alt. Look at this. Now my symbol is changed. Bat symbol is changed. It's looking one kind of targeted icon. Okay, then I can easily look at this. Okay, look at this. When I'm duplicating area, this area, just making a duplicate there. My position, this plus position is here. When I'm moving my cursor, you will see it's make this area like a copy, like this. Look at this area. So they like this. I want to replace. I'm pressing Alt. That's why my icon is changed. Then moving my cursor. I'm just press my left click on my cursor, and I'm just easily removing this man with this area. I'm just replacing. That's it. This way you can replace them like this. I want to replace this area with this area, so I'm pressing Alt, collecting the sample, and let's collect from here. Yeah, okay. Like this. I'm now just drawing my brush, and I'm also pressing my left button from my cursor. Let's collect this area again. Let's collect this area for this area. Okay, I'm just collecting this area, then I'm just drawing my like this. Then for this area, I'm collecting this area. Then I'm pressing Alt, then collecting this area, then replacing this man. Shadow like this. Okay, this is our original image. this man was appear
Yeah.
here. Once I'm using healing brush tool, then I'm just easily removing this man. Okay, everyone got it?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. In this way, you can also duplicate this one. Look at this right now. I have two frame. So if I go there, healing brush tool,
Mm,
I'm duplicating this layer.
mm,
So I want to make another frame. So I'm just pressing Alt and collecting this sample. Then I'm just drawing here. Look at this. It will make another one like this. Original image I have only one, and if you use a healing brush tool, you can make another one.
yes.
That's it. Okay, patch tool. Patch tool is something similar with healing brush tool. Suppose in this area I have a lamp, so if I want to remove this lamp, so I'm just, first of all you have to select this area, then you can move your cursor here, then it will replace this area to this area. That's it. This is patch tool. So again, if you want to replace your switch with this area, just move your cursor and press Ctrl D, then it will replace. Again, if you want to replace this area with this white area, you can do it. Then press Ctrl D. Again, if you want to replace this area to this area, just select this area and move it. Again, if you want to replace this area to this area, you can do it. Control T, Control T for deselect, Control T for deselect. Like this. This is patch tool, and the content aware tool. This is so. Let me download the image. Okay, for content aware tool, patch tool done, content aware. Look at this. In this image, if you want to make a duplicate in this, look at this empty area. If you want to make duplicate this leaf to there, so you can easily do this with the help of this tool. I'm selecting content aware tool. Look at this, I'm just selecting this leaf, then I'm easily moving there. Control D. It's now selecting. If you want to deselect this one, you can press Control D, or you can look at this. Now it's selecting. Press Control D for deselect. So yeah, it's just moving. It's just moving this leaf there to there. So if you want to move this leaf from here to here, you can easily do this with content aware tool. Control D. You can also make duplicate like okay. In this image, if you want to move this one, this stroke here to here, you can move it this. Control D. If you want to move this man, from Control D, you can easily move this man here to here like this. Now if you see this area, look at this is not like looking original. So for this one, you can use you can use healing brush tool. So you can easily copy this area like this, then you can easily replace this area to this area. Then you can easily fix this issue like this. If you think this is not looking good, so you can easily use the healing brush tool to fix this issue like this. For this area you can also do the same thing. You can easily use healing brush tool and fix this issue.
Yes.
This is the thing. And the last one is red eye. Let me open an image with red eye. So So if you have any red eye images, so you can easily remove this red eye. You have to go there. You have to go red eye tools. Then you can easily just click your red eye area. Look at this. It's just change. This is original and this is before and after. Before and after. That's the thing.
So easy.
Yeah. Then the next tool is brush tool. It's look at this. This is called foreground color and the second one called background color. My foreground color is red and my background color is orange. If I double click on it, I can change this one. So I can change it to black. So this color called foreground color and the next one called background color. You can switch this color. If you click this icon, you can look at this. It's just switching this color. The shortcut key is X. If you press X, it will switch the color. Okay, my foreground color is red. That's why if I draw any brush, it will draw with this red color. If I change this one to blue color, now if I draw in any brush, it will draw with this color. So a brush always draw with this according to foreground color. Let me change it to this color, so it will draw according to this color. That's it. Okay, I'm pressing Ctrl Z. Okay. Whenever you are using any brush, so first make sure that you are creating new layer. So if you click here, it will create a new layer, so that if I draw anything else here, so I can easily delete this one, or I can easily turn off this layer. So my original artboard is this one. This is my original. Let me make it original. Okay, this is my original. So make sure you are just creating new layer so that it will not affect this layer. So if I do not create any new layer, so it will draw in my original layer. Look at this, it will draw on my original layer. So make sure whenever you are using brush tool, you have to create new layer. That's it. Okay, so you can control your brush from here. If you want to increase size, you can increase and decrease the size. Let me make it 133. Look at this, my brush is 133. We can also decrease the size like here, 37. This is 37. Okay, then hardness, it's, look at this. Right now my hardness is 100%. I'm drawing a line like this. Let me change it to 7%. Look at this. You can see the different. With 100%, this is 100% hardness and this is 7% hardness. That means it's just make this line to clear, and this is making blur, some blurry effect. So if you want to use your brush with 100%, if you use 100%, you will see a straight clean line. If you use it to 50% or 8%, you'll see this type of brush. That's the thing. This is 100% and this is 7%. I hope you got it. Okay, then the next thing is, if you click here, you will see lots of preset. Look at the hard round, that means it's draw hard brush. If you click soft, look at this, your hardness is 0%, that means it's draw a soft brush. Now if I draw any brush, let me increase the size, 100%, 100 pixel. Look at this, it's now draw a soft brush. Let me change this color. Yeah, look at this, it's now it's draw a soft brush. You can also control the opacity. Look at this, my flow is the 38%. If you increase your flow, look at this, it will make more clear line. You can also control smoothness, your brush smoothness with 47%. If I draw any brush, let me create another one, let me delete this one. Look at this, my smoothing is 80%. If I draw any brush, look at this, and with 0%, if you draw a brush, look at this, too much smoothness. When you're working with this brush tool, you will got this one. And flow, if I make it 100%, and if I make it 46, you will get this one. Look at this. This is 100% flow and this is 40% flow, so it's looking blur, not clear. That's the thing. And opacity, this is the main thing. If I make it 1%, you can't see anything else. So make sure you have selected your opacity to 100%, then you can see your brush. Okay, then the next thing is look at this, you'll get lots of brush. Look at this is another brush, it's leaf. So there are lots of brush here, so you can draw this. You can also draw this brush, so I'm increasing the size from here. This is another brush, let me show you another one. So this is another brush. This one is ready preset. You can also download brush from Google. So if you go Google and if you search Photoshop brush download, then in this first tool, this website brusheasy.com, so you can click here. Then in this website you will see lots of brush. Look at this brush, this is brush, this is another brush. There are lots of brush. Sometimes you'll see this type of effect on someone image, so this is nothing else, it's just brush. You can download you can use your image, then you can easily draw this type of, you can download this brush, this is brush, then you can easily draw a brush on your own image, whatever you want. So you can easily download this image, then you can easily import a brush from this option. new brush preset, you can import it. Otherwise you can go to YouTube and search how to import brush, how to import brush on Photoshop. So look at this is a tutorial. This is a video. You can watch this video and you can easily import brush on your Photoshop. Look at this, they are importing this brush, so you can easily import brush from internet. Okay, any question about these tools?
No, thanks, sir.
Okay.
No, sir, I don't have any question.
Okay, next homework would be this one. Just you have to download brush and you have to draw brush and like this. Just download brush and import on your Photoshop and then show me. Okay, this one would be your homework, on the first homework. Got it, everyone? The first homework would be download to brush and import on Photoshop, so that you can use it whenever we are creating a flyer poster design. That's it.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, pencil. This is easy. It's just a pencil. Like if you want to draw a home like this, or you can also increase and decrease your brush size from this keyboard image. You can also increase and decrease your size from this 2 key, the second bracket, and look at this. If now I'm in Photoshop, I'm pressing the second curly bracket. Look at this, is increasing my brush size. If I press left side, the left key, left curly bracket, so you can increase and decrease with this 2 key. Otherwise you can increase and decrease from here. It's up to you. So I'm always using this 2 key to increase and decrease the size. Okay, this is a pencil tool, so leave it as 70%, 70 pixel. So in pencil tool you can easily draw. If you want to draw any tree like this, you can draw it. So let me decrease the size. If you want to draw a home like this, another thing, if you want to draw a straight line, press shift, then it will make a straight line. I'm pressing shift, look at this, is make a straight line. Now I'm again pressing shift, it's making a straight line. I'm again pressing shift, like this. So if you want to color this area, so you can easily do this. You can change, let me change this color to green. Okay, this one. Then right now you can use a soft brush tool for this area like this. So pencil brush tool just using for drawing purpose, that's it. Okay, color replacement tool and color mixer. I can leave these tools, this is not important. If I have time I will explain this one, otherwise I don't want to waste my time. So clone stem tool, this is same as healing brush tool. Look at this. In this image, your clients told you that remove this frame from this image, so that if you want to remove this frame from this image, or if you want to remove also this monitor from this image, you can use clone brush tool. That means it's just cloning the area. Make sure first of all, same as healing brush tool, you have to select this area. I want to remove I want to replace this area here, so I'm pressing Alt and collecting this area sample. Then I'm just drawing this area. I'm just pressing left key on my cursor, and then I'm just moving my cursor. It's just replacing this area with this frame. So, and there are also opacity, flow, direction, and sample means this is a current layer. That means this sample collecting from this current layer, so always keep as it is. Then I'm just drawing this area. I'm just collecting this then I'm just drawing my brush. Then I can also collect this area sample, can also collect it. So this is almost done. So let's remove this screen, this computer screen, so you can easily I'm going to collect this area sample. So I'm collecting, then I'm drawing like this. Let me increase my brush size so that it saves my time, like this. So if you take time, you can do it like, if you do it slowly, you will not see this type of issue. Right now I'm doing fast, that's why it's looking like this. So if you do it slowly, if you collect sample correctly, like for this lighting area, you have to collect color from this lighting area. That's it. And for this dark area, you have to collect from dark area sample, so that it will work. The output will be perfect. So let's do this simple thing. So if you want to remove this box, so I'm collecting, you can collect from here or from here. Let me collect sample from here. I'm pressing Alt, collecting sample. Then I'm just drawing my cursor like this. And I'm collecting here for this top area. So that's it. This is clone stem tool. And the second one is pattern. So let me close this one. Okay, pattern. Whenever you are clicking pattern stem tool, you'll see there will be new option. Look at it, there are lots of pattern, tree pattern, then grass pattern. Then if I draw, look at this, it will draw this grass pattern. If I click if I select tree, it will draw this tree pattern on their wall. That's it. This is pattern 2. Water, if I click here, if I draw this one, look at this, it's just drawing this water pattern. That's it. Or you can create a new you can also create your own pattern. So this is one of my pattern that I created. So you can also create pattern, then you can also draw your pattern on this image. That's it. This is pattern tool. And the next one is history brush tool. So history means it's just saves your history like this. If I go window, then if I open my history brush tool, look at this. Okay, so you can see that. So for this window, for this step, I have working with lots of tool like this, like this. This is history brush tool. That means it saves your history. So you will see lots of history. So I'm starting with this tool, then I'm doing this one, this one, this one, this one, then I'm doing lots of things, then I'm creating new layer, then I'm delete layer, then I'm using mixer brush, then I'm using new layer again. This history brush tool means saves your work as history. You can go back for anytime. Like I want to go back at my first stage, so you can click here, so you can go this area, then you can do work. So history means it just saves your work as history. So if you want to go back, suppose I'm editing this image, so suppose I'm doing this one. Okay, look at this. It's starting to save my work. Then let me delete I'm deleting this man. Okay, look at this eraser. I'm using eraser tool. Then I'm using color picker tool. Then I'm using pattern tool. So it just saves your work. That's it. This is history brush tool. It just saves your work that you are doing. That's it. Art history brush tool. Let me open the image. Okay, for art history brush tool, make sure you are opening history panel from window. So, and then next thing is make sure you are selecting this one and you are selecting this option. Like if you are not selecting, you will see this type of error. So make sure you are selecting this one. And if I draw, let me create another one. Okay, let's do it. Look at this. I'm just drawing my art history brush tool. It just make his face like artistic. Like look at this, you'll see the different. I'm just clicking on this image, so it's make a oily effect, something like this, artistic. So if I click here, look at this. This is the thing, like this. Like it's convert your image to art. So you can also go back because you have history to a panel open. So if I click here, this is my original image, or this is my original image, then I'm doing this, then I'm doing this, then I'm doing this. This is the thing. Art history brush tool does convert your image to artistic or oily effect. That's it. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, any question?
Yes.
Any question, students?
No, thank you.
No, sir, thank you.
That's it. And there are, when you are using art history tool, there are lots of effect. If you change, you will see the difference. Tight shoot, tight medium, lots of things. This is another unusual tools on Photoshop. Okay. The next one is eraser tool. So let me make a copy. Let's close this one. We don't need to use history brush tool. Okay. Now I'm in eraser, so it's easy. It's just erase your image. So if you want to delete this area from this image, you can do this. Right now, look at this. If you see this edge area, this is hardness is now 100%. That's why uh, I'm talking about this line. This is sharpness. If you look at this, this is now sharp. So if I change my brush to soft, that means hardness is 0. Now if I draw my image, look at this, it's just deleting. With this way you'll see a blurry effect. So this one is 0% hardness, that means soft brush, and this area is 100% hardness, that means hard brush. I hope you got it. So when you're using 0% hardness, so your eraser will be looking like this when you're erasing. Look at this, like this. It's using, look at this. Okay, I have two image. This one, let me delete this one and this one. Let me create a new artboard. Okay, A4 size. Suppose I have deleted this background with 100% hardness. Let me increase the size. Look at this, it's now in 100%. Like this. Let's move this image here to here. Okay. And same as eraser tool. Okay, let me unlock. Now I'm erasing with 100% hardness. Okay. Okay, I'm just moving here. Now I want to adjust this two image, but it's not looking like perfect. It's not adjusting accurately because when I'm using my eraser tool, that time I had look at this area, sharpness area, that time I had 100% hardness. But now if I erase this one with the soft brush tool, let me select this one like this. Let's do it again. Ctrl Z. Let's go eraser tool, and my brush tool is a soft brush. Close tab. Let's move this one here to here. Now you can easily mix them. It will not looking like this. Like this. Okay, that's the thing. You can easily mix them and it will mix easily like this. I'm talking about this area. So every time type always use soft brush tool if it is anything else, so it will easily mixed with another image with another object. That's it. Got it, everyone? Hello.
Thank you. Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah, and this is called feather. So maybe I had explained feather already. Okay, let me explain it again. Flower. Open. Okay, this is clean object, so that I can easily use object selection tool. So I'm just drawing here. It will automatically select this object. Okay, if I right click on it, there are lots of things. So I'm clicking here feather. Let's make it 0% feather. Okay, 0 pixel. Then press OK. Oh, sorry, 0.1. The minimum value is 0.1. Then click OK. Let me create a new document to move this one. Okay. Okay. Let me change the background color to solid color, and it could be okay, green color. Okay. This is 0% feather. Okay. So Control D. Let me open my second flower image. Okay, to save my time, I'm selecting object selection tool. I'm just clicking, just draw a rectangle. Let's make it feather to 20 pixel. Okay. Where is it? Selection tool, right click, feather to 40. Okay. Okay. Look at this. In this two image, you'll see this is the different. This area, the edge area. This is 0% feather. Okay, that means this is 100% like sharpness, but this is 40% feather, 40 pixel, sorry, pixel. So you will see it's just make this area to blur like this. Like for now it's just making like white color effect, because in this image if you see this area is white, that's why it's collect this area. And in this image I'm just selecting this feather 0, that's why it's just cropping only this area, like this, only this area. But whenever you are using feather on your image, you'll see this blurry effect, like it's collect others, it's related area, selection related area. Look at this. If you see this, first time whenever I'm using 0%, let me change it to 0%. You'll see the selection will be changed. Feather 0.1. Okay, right now my feather is 0%. Okay, if I make it to with 0%, my selection position in this way, but whenever I change it to feather 40%, look at this, the selection is changed, the position is changed. So whenever you are using feather, your selection will be like position will be changed. It will takes inner area, it will takes this inner area and others area. In this area it's make this area it's make blur, this area it makes blur. This is the thing, whenever you are using feather, it's just move the selection area to inner area and the others area makes blur. Then you will see, if you move this one, you'll see this blur effect like this one. That's the thing. And whenever you are using 0% feather, it's not moving, it's just keep as it is. Like I'm selecting this area feather, if I make it 0.1, it will not change. Look at this, it will not change this position. But if I make my feather 40 pixel or 50 pixel, it will change your position to inner area and just make other area blur. This is the thing. Okay, got it everyone?
Yes, sir.
The next one is background eraser. So okay, this is background eraser. That means it's just change your background, just erase your background. So as eraser tool, if I click here and if I click here, it will just erase everything else. It's just erase everything else. But if you want to erase only the sky and keep this one, so you can use background eraser tool. If I move my cursor, look at this, it's just erasing my background and it's not affecting my uh, uh, tree area. Look at this, like this. Look at this, it's just erasing my tree area. Sorry, it's just erasing my sky area. It's not affecting my trees area, like this. So you can increase and decrease your brush size. Look at this, it's just affecting my background is sky, it's not affecting my tree. So you have to do this work perfectly. So you can zoom your canvas. You have to do it very carefully to get a better output. Like this. But if you do the same thing with this eraser tool, it's directly delete your uh, this area, green area, like your tree area. So in this background eraser tool, you can use this one. So it's just affected your background and just keep your object same as it is. That's the thing. If I work with this background eraser, let's increase the size. Look at this, is just affecting my background and it's not affecting my flower. So you have to do it very carefully so that it will not affect your flower. That's the thing, background eraser. And magic background eraser is work with same color background, like this background is almost same color, cyan color. So if you one click this one, it will magically delete your background like this. Look at this, I'm just clicking, one clicking. Let me this one, this is only one color background image. This is pink color. If you click, one click here, one click, look at this. So it's also affected our flower because of flower color is green, sorry, purple, pink, yeah. Then look at this. It's just in these tools, it's just selected, it just delete same colors area. That's why it's also select our flower. So whenever you are working with like e-commerce project, like product images like this, Nike show, sorry, if you use on online product images, so you can easily use these tools, because in product image the background always in white color, so that you can use these tools to remove background easily. Look at this, maximum product color is white, background color is white, so that if suppose you want your client send your image like this, so you want to use this show on your poster, so that the background color is white, so that you can easily select this tool, magic eraser tool, so it's easily deleted your background with one click, and it saves your time. Then you can work with this show. That's the thing, background eraser. Okay, got it everyone? Any question?
Yes, sir, we got it.
Okay, can I continue this lesson or just leave it now? Can I discuss another tools?
Yes, you can, sir.
Sorry,
No,
Time is
sir.
over.
what?
Time is over.
Time is over.
We will
Sorry.
continue inshallah next week. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, inshallah.
Okay, just everyone do your homework. And show
Okay.
me. That's it. Okay, that's it for
Okay.
today. Thanks for joining,
Okay,
everyone.
thank-
Okay.
Thanks.
Thanks, sir.
Thank you a lot.
Okay, Allah Hafiz.
Allah
Sir,
Hafiz.
can you send this record because the net was not so good.
Okay, I will upload video on YouTube, then you can watch. Okay.
Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
Okay. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah.